Hello everyone, welcome back to my LeetCode journey, and today we are going to solve question number 349, insertion of two arrays. This problem teaches us how to use sets efficiently. So what the question says, given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique and you may return the result in any order. So what it says is, we need to have an intersection is basically what says is intersection of two arrays is defined as a set of elements that are present in both arrays, which means whichever element is present in both arrays will be there in the intersection set, and it will appear only once, which means every element will be unique. Here 4959494 is output, 49 is also accepted, which means number can be in any order. Order does not matter over here. Okay, so in this question, the simple brute force approach will be compare every element of the first array with the second array. That requires two nested O, which will lead to O of n into m complexity. A better idea would be using set. We can store all elements of the array first in a set, then traverse the second array. If an element of the second array exists in the set, it belongs to the intersection. If not, store it in another set to avoid duplicates. Okay, so what we're going to do over here is make two sets, unordered set of int named st, and which will be of size of nums1 dot begin, comma nums1 dot end. In this, all the values of nums1 will be stored, and another unordered set int which will store the answer. Okay, and we will go have a for loop over here of int num, which will traverse in all the nums. If st dot find what find, we will be finding num is not equal to st dot end, then answer dot insert num. What we are doing over here is, we got a unordered set named st. If st does not, in st we have all the values of nums1, and here it would be nums2. We are traversing through nums2. What we're doing here is, we are traversing through nums2. If any of the element of nums2 is not found in nums1, sorry, it's found, yes, not found in nums1, then we can insert in the answer basically, and at last we can return vector. We need to return vector over here, vector of int answer dot begin, comma answer dot end. And let's see if it runs. Yeah, it did. And there we go, submit the code. What we're doing here is, first we store all elements from the first array inside a set. Then we check every element of the second array. If it exists in the set, it belongs to the intersection. We store it into another set, so duplicates automatically disappear. Finally, we convert the set into a vector. Time complexity is O of n plus m, not O of n into m. So we reduce the time complexity over here, and space complexity is O of n. And that's how we solve LeetCode problem 349, intersection of two arrays. The key takeaway was how to use sets for fast lookups and automatic duplicates removal. Okay, that's it. Uh, that's it for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.